Welcome to mambafx.com. In this video, we're going to teach you how to sign up and how to activate your Telegram to receive the Blue FX signals. So there's three places on the website where you can sign in at or sign up. At the top right here where it says sign up, if you scroll down where it says Why Blue Signal FX, you can register now right here. You can scroll down to simple pricing plan and you can pick one of the plans to subscribe to, or you can go down here at the bottom where it says register for a free 7-day trial. Okay, so all we're going to do is click register now. Next thing we want to do, we're going to type in our name, put in a username, next we want to do is put in our email address, country code, it's going to be the United States, and make sure you put in the correct phone number. This way you can receive text messages. You can always opt out to receive those text messages. All right, and then next thing you want to do is select your plan. Okay, so we're going to start off with the starter plan, the free plan. Okay, next thing you want to do is select the password. And you want to agree to the terms and conditions and hit create account. Okay, now what we have to do is check our email, and they're going to send us a verification code to put in here. Okay, now if it doesn't go directly to your email, make sure you check your spam or junk box. Okay, we just received the emails. Let me refresh my email account. It should pop right up. There we go. So we want to go here. All we want to do is copy and then go back over here and we can paste it. Okay, and hit verify now. All right, that puts us right in our back office. Okay, this is your back office. This is your referral link. If you want to refer people to Blue Signal FX, you can earn a 30% commission on all package plans. All right, so for a 7-day free trial, we have 7 days we can use this. All right, now you won't be able to receive signals on Telegram or your phone. You will only receive signals through email and also your back office. So if you want to check on the signals that has been given out for that day, you just click all signals and these signals will pop up. All you want to do is check the ones that you're interested in trading. So you can click view and it gives you the symbol, the type, the sale, the hour, the time frame, the entry price, stop loss, take profit. Okay, and it tell you if this trade is it active or not. Okay, right here you can make a comment. You can also rate the different trades. All right, so right now, as you can see on the left hand side, there's no way for you to activate Telegram. Okay, so what you have to do is go back to your dashboard. All right, you click here, dashboard, and now you want to change your plan. Okay, so we're going to change our plan and we're going to do a monthly plan. So we're going to hit upgrade. It says, are you sure you want to upgrade? Yes. Okay, so if you had money in your referral wallet, you could use the money in your referral wallet to upgrade, or we do this by Bitcoin. So transactions are paid by Bitcoin. So you hit pay now. Okay. The next thing you want to do, you want to send the $47 to this Bitcoin address right here. Okay. And then you want to upload, take proof of you doing the transaction. All right. So we're going to put the video on pause and we're going to go ahead and do that really quick. All right, now you have been upgraded to the monthly plan, as you can see here. Also, it says activate Telegram. So what you want to do to activate Telegram is go ahead and click activate Telegram. the next thing you want to do is go to this URL right here. You want to click on that. Okay. So right now I'm going to access my phone. I'm going to do it from my phone. All right. So how we activate Telegram is simply by clicking on the three little lines here on the top left hand corner. So we click that. We want to scroll down to where it says manage Telegram. We want to click on active Telegram. All right. So we want to go to step 3. We want to go ahead and click on the URL right here. Okay. And that's going to bring up Telegram. So I've already done this step, so that's why it says restart. Yours will say start. So we're going to click start. Okay. Now where it says paste token in message box and click send. So we want to go back to Telegram. All right. We want to copy to clipboard. All right. Now we want to go back to Telegram and we want to paste it and hit send. Okay. Next thing we want to do is go back to our URL and we want to click on active Telegram. So we'll go ahead and click that. All right, and you'll see you have notification. Hi Vinny, your Telegram notification activated successfully. All right, now you can start to receive signals straight to your Telegram. Okay, so that's all you have to do, guys. That's how easy it is to sign up for Blue Signal FX. Again, we have a referral program where you can earn 30% commission. It's totally free. Everybody who registers has that access to the referral program. Okay, and it's paid by Bitcoin. All right, so that's going to end our video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.